What's up? It's Justin. I'm back with another video. Shout out to everybody who's liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel. I appreciate that. Look, I'm gonna hop right into this quick subject matter. Look, a lot of you, we live in a different world. And one of the best things you could do right now, especially if let's say you're on this internet, if you have something going on, is something called like a brand partnership. And we live in the age of collaboration. This is the day and age where people are working together for a common goal, really money, but for a common goal. And as we move forward, you're going to see more and more of this becoming the norm because people want to be able to work with other people. And also it's one of the best ways to move up effectively on your own. You see this here in the YouTube space. You see this here on TikTok. You see it on Facebook. You see it on Instagram. You see it with big creators. You're going to see it even more with smaller creators. And I'm saying people who have maybe like 1,000 subscribers or maybe 1,000 followers on TikTok or YouTube, but they have reach. And because one thing you got to understand with these big companies, it's better for them to pay a bunch of smaller creators with like the same amount of reach or even just more reach over time than like a big company or big other brand with that's just has this particular amount of eyes. So you're able to spread the budget out over a mass amount of people and get the same visibility, if not more. And they actually save more money doing that. And this is something you're going to see a lot more. And I'm making this video as it doesn't really have too much to do with real estate, as like I try to keep it to one subject, and that's real estate here. But it's something that I'm seeing going on. So, I mean, no matter what you're doing, whatever business you're in, if you're working a job, even if you just don't have a job, I think you should really take this phone out and make some sort of video, make some sort of content. I really don't like the word content, to be honest with you. It just sounds too corporate for me, you know what I mean? But this phone, everybody wants to see you. And here's the thing, you got to understand that when you start this journey, it's really no competition because most people are consumers. They want to watch, they want to take in, they don't want to actually produce and do these things. Like making these YouTube videos is pretty easy to me, but it's really work. Like behind the scenes, it's a lot of work that goes into these videos, and I don't even do any crazy editing. So I only can imagine like some of the people that I know who do YouTube at another higher level or just edit it and just sticking to a schedule. I mean, this thing is work. It is real work. And just because you fire up a camera, upload a video, that's all you see on the front end. On the back end, there's trust me, it's work that's going on. But everybody, I don't care if you're piss poor, if you don't have nothing but a phone, start documenting that process. And I know some of you may be scared of your truth, but that's what people want to see. They want to see the good, the bad, and the ugly. And I guarantee you you have van life videos that go viral, and people who started out in their van and now they're not in their van anymore, or people who are just abandoned like housing. Like you'd be surprised what people watch. There's an audience for everything, and you can get brand deals with the power of this phone. And people want to see everything. It doesn't have to be high produced per se, but you could just take this phone and do something with it. And that's really my message for today. Maybe I'll go into a little more detail later on, but make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll be back with my usual real estate content, but I just wanted to say this because I see it, I'm around it. I know people who are doing it at a really high level. I know people who are just doing it in general. And honestly, people are making more money in like a month or 2 or 3 months than you are in a whole year with the power of just this phone and flipping the camera on and just documenting their day and talking about themselves, whether it's good, bad, or ugly. All right, so you like, comment, share, subscribe. Mr. CMB, I'm out.